fond of riding 800 pounds on the dirt. It's still a ways up here. This part's just kind of slippery with the dirt and the little pea gravel on it. Got to watch out for that. But the higher we get, the worse the road is going to be. And I can't afford to break anything on my bike if I fall over. Not me or the bike. Shoot, if I broke a leg or an arm, I probably wouldn't be able to ride till after the monsoons are over. These handlebars, when I bought them, they were almost $200, not counting the labor and the cables and the wire extensions, although I probably wouldn't have to replace that. But now this is like, I bought those in 2008, or was it 2009? So all that inflation since then, they'd probably be $220, $230, maybe more. Whatever I think something's going to cost, it always costs more. Cattle guard all filled in with dirt, made it smooth going over it. Bunch of brush piles. Trimming for the fire danger. Now if they don't burn those off or haul them off, they'll contribute to the fire danger. Oh, see, it's getting washboardy now, but it'll get ruddy and big ruts and potholes up here at the top. Can't swerve quickly if I don't see a rough spot until I'm almost on it, because I'll just slide and may dump the bike in this dirt with a little bit of gravel on top of it. But at least it's not that soft powdery dirt. Some of the roads in Arizona are this soft powdery dirt. And that's, oh, I gotta go across the stream here. And I get mud on everything. I know it's there, but I always forget about it until I see it.